गाइस, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये किस तरह के स्पॉट्स हैं जो मैंने ये इंटरसेप्टर के इंजन पे लगाया हुआ है। सो यू कैन सी द इफेक्ट नाउ। आप दोनों तरफ से देख सकते हो ये स्पॉट्स जो है, दिस इज गोइंग टू क्लीन दिस क्रोम। जहाँ जहाँ पे क्रोम है वहाँ पे ये स्पॉट्स हैं। सो कुछ देर में आपको मैजिक दिखाने वाला है। सो लेट्स गेट रेडी। नाउ सी हाउस दिस engine after just rubbing this polish on this particular whole chrome, still something remaining, so we will try to do this. So don't try to do it with the simple hands, but I recommend one different thing for this. Okay, so you can see this paper, मतलब जो अपना पार्सल करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं पेपर, यूज दिस पेपर एंड ट्राई टू पॉलिश दिस। तो ये होता है। सो दिस इज वन, here is the complete change after polishing. Now you will see how to go. Now you can check this panels, this all covers, if you rub it with these tokens, and then this is going to just shining like anything. This cloth is taking all this dust out of this. Now we are on the right side of this bike. We are still watching this, starting from the upper side always. Rubbing this fully, just cleaning this engine inside out. This is kind of the heart of this bike. Even for any bike, the engine is the heart. Without engine you can't go anyways. So these all casings, this getting very much hot when we actually ride in the traffic or even in the town. So just trying to take this polish really well. Now I can see the brightness and shining of the stockings. You can literally see self-image inside of this. Okay, more polishing is important. If you do the more polishing, like right now I'm using this on the silencer exhaust, so it's also taking this kind of patches away. So I'm rubbing it. Let this stockings, and this is taking all this different patches also away.